Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video I am going to show you the best indicator that you can use to trade on Binance. This indicator I am going to show you can use it to trade on any market on Binance. For example, in this video I am going to trade on futures. Now I'll go to derivatives and I'll click on USDM futures. This is how your futures platform is going to look like. Now I am going to show you exactly how to use this indicator. Right now on this chart, if you notice, we are on the daily time frame. And if you want to select the indicator, you would have to click on this icon right here which says technical indicator. When you click on it, you would have to select this indicator right here, this BOLL. Now what this stands for is Bollinger Band. That is the name of the indicator we are going to be using right now in this video. When you look at this indicator, you will notice three things. You will notice the first line. Now this first line up here is called the upper band. The second line inside the Bollinger Band is the moving average. This line, as you can see right here, is the moving average. The last line right here is called the lower band. Now this is the lower band of the Bollinger Band. Now I am going to show you exactly what these bands stand for. When the price of an asset touches the upper band of this indicator, the price is said to be overbought. Now when the price touches the upper band, it is overbought. When the price touches the lower band, that means the price is oversold. And the middle line right here is the moving average. The moving average, this line right here inside the bands, serves as direction. Now when the price is above the moving average and within the upper band, that means the price is said to be in an uptrend. This is an example right here. As you can see, the price is said to be in an uptrend when it is above the moving average and within the bands. Understand? Now when the price is below the moving average and within the lower band, that means the price is said to be in a downtrend. Now this is how to use the Bollinger Band when trading. When you want to use this indicator to trade, the trick here is to buy when it touches the lower band and sell when it touches the upper band. Understand? For example, when it touches the lower band right here, if you buy at this point, then you sell when it touches the upper band, because when it touches the upper band, it's said to be overbought. That means the price is overextended to the upside. So when it is overbought right here and goes back and touches the lower band, you buy. When it goes up and touches the upper band, anywhere here, you sell. So that is how you use this indicator to profit every single time. Now this indicator is the most reliable indicator you would find when trading on Binance, and that's why I am showing you this indicator right now. And one more thing you need to know when using this indicator is when the Bollinger Bands start to squeeze, that means a big move is about to begin. Exactly like this. If you look at this chart, you will notice that as it was tightening up right here, the big move came afterwards. When the big move happened, as you can see, the bands expanded, and that is exactly how the Bollinger Bands work. When using this indicator, it would guide you to where exactly you have to buy and where exactly you have to sell. I use this indicator and I can tell you that it is really reliable. I can use it to trade on either futures or sports. When I use this indicator to trade, I make profit. That's why I am here telling you exactly how you can use this indicator to make profit on your trades. If you truly enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. It really means a lot and I really appreciate it if you do. This is going to be it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.